How to use a Visa gift card on Temu account. Let's get started. Launch your Temu. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Firstly, select any of the item that you want to purchase. For now, I'm going to select this one item, add it to the cart. Once you are done with adding items to the cart, click on the cart option. Once you are done adding items to the cart, now click on checkout. You will land to the order confirmation page. At the very top, you will find your shipping address. Likewise, over here, you will find the item details. Scrolling down, you will find the option of payment methods. Now, over here, you have to select this option of card. Once you set it to card, now click on add a new card. Now provide your card details over here. Type in your card number, expiration date, and CVV. Once you type in, click on add your card. With that, your card details will be updated. So this way, you can easily use a Visa gift card on Temu account. Once you fill it, click on submit order, and with that you will be good to go. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.